practice set 29, question number 1. These all examples. Before this practice set 29, you must write now I know, which is given in textbook page number 60. Okay. After that you start the practice set 29. In these all examples you must solve by the unitary method. So first example, if 20 meters of cloth cost rupees 3600, find the cost of 16 meter of cloth. So here what we have to do, first cost of what is given. If 20 meter of cloth cost means cost of 20 meter cloth, cost of 20 meter cloth is how much? Rupees 3600, rupees 3600. So therefore what is the next step? I told you, you must find cost of 1 is fixed. After second step you must write 1, cost of 1 meter, unit is meter, so here also we can write meter. Cloth is, then what you have to do, in first line which two numbers are there, no, that you have to divide. That means 3600 divided by 20. This you can write in the form of fraction. It will be easy to divide you. Yes, what I have done, 3600 upon 20. This 0 will cancel with this 0. Then you have to divide 360 by 2. See, 360 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. Here 1. 2 8s are 16. And this 0 when it will come down, for that 0 here we will write 10. That means I got rupees 180 cost. Always writing rupees. So cost of 1 meter of cloth I got 180. Now we can find the cost of 16 meter of cloth, which is being asked in question. So therefore cost of 16 meter of cloth is equal to, what I must do, whatever answer we got, with that answer you must multiply with this number. So 180 multiplied by 60. So you have to do this multiplication. You will get the answer 2880. Rupees 2880. So cost of 16 meter of cloth is, so therefore you can write final answer again. Therefore cost of 16 meter of cloth is rupees 2880. Okay, and this way you can find the final answer. So in 3 steps only students we get answer. First is what is given in the question. Second is cost of one article, division. Then third step, cost of that how much number they ask, that article, that numbers article cost. And then final answer you should do. Like this way you solve question number 1. Next, question number 2. In question number 2, find the cost of 8 kg of rice if the cost of 10 kg is rupees 325. So see, now they first ask question. So what is the information is given? If the cost of 10 kg is rupees 325. So what is given, that we have to write cost of rice. Cost of how much rice? 10 kg of rice is given rupees 325. So let us find, therefore cost of 1 kg of rice is 325 divided by 10. So what I will get, 325 upon 10. So can we divide? Let us find. Can we, is the 325 will be totally divisible by 10? Yes? No, because we know the test of 10. If the unit place has 0, then only that number is divisible by 10. Then this, if this number is not divisible, totally divisible, then I told you just you write in the form of fraction, isn't it? Just leave that. Means if the number is not divisible by that number, then just write it in the form of fraction. And then next step you have to do. They ask cost of 8 kg of rice. So therefore cost of 8 kilogram of rice. Then what answer we got? 325 upon 10, and then you have to multiply by this 8. Okay, then you can divide, students, or simply you can do this 325 multiplied by 8 and then you divide by 10. Here I will make it in simple form. How can I make it in simple form? So I have to divide this 8 and 10. They are in the table of 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay, what I have done? I have divided this 8 and 10 by 2. So I got 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Also this 325 upon 5, I can divide these two numbers by 5. How? 5 1s are 5, 325 divided by 5. Let us do it roughly. Okay, 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Here 2. 5 5s are 25. So I got 65. So let us write here 65. Question is 65. Now what answer I got? Now see, denominator came 1, and now here 65 multiplied by 4. 65 multiplied by 4. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24 plus 2 25 26. 24 plus 2 26. So I got the answer rupees 260. Rupees 260 upon 1 means I cannot, if I will not write, then also no problem here. So the final answer will come therefore cost of 8 kilogram of rice is equal to, or you can write here, is rupees 260. This will be the final answer. Okay, so like this way you can complete question number 1 and 2. Thank you.